Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going for a 90s themed look. I got a ton of requests to do a video on this look, so here it is. Alright, so every morning before putting on any makeup, I like to put on a good eye cream. I use the Phytoactive eye cream from Glow, and I'm going to tap it underneath my eyes, and then I like brushing it over the brows. I like doing this because I feel like the powder just goes on better for the brows and it just makes it look smoother and nicer. I'm going to start off with Grayish from the contour palette from XMH Beauty, and I'm going to start by filling in the front of my brow. Next, I'm going to go in with Chocolate from the contour palette for a darker brow. Okay, next I'm going in with Vanilla Insane Eye and Lip Primer from XMH Beauty. This is the best one that I've used so far. I work 12-hour days during the summer and it stays on all day for me. Once I have it filled in, I'm going to go in with my favorite brush on the planet, the Dual Camouflage Stamper Brush, and I'm going to blend it out on the edges. Now I'm going in with the highlighter from the Sunset palette, and I'm going to go underneath my brow. Next, I'm going to grab some vanilla from the contour palette, and I'm going to put it on the inside of my eye, basically where there's still some sticky primer, where I wouldn't want my eyeshadow to be placed. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a light pink from the Change Agent palette. They don't sell this palette anymore, but you can use the transition shade from the Sunset palette and it works just as good. Okay, next I'm going to grab the bright pink shimmer shade from the Mermaid palette, and I'm going to pop that in my crease just to make it more pink. For this look, I'm going to pop a little bit more vanilla primer after I'm done putting color in the crease. Next, you're going to grab the darkest shade from your Sunset palette. To me, it looks like a dark maroon color, but when it's on my face, it looks purple. I think it's because of my hair. But you're going to grab that shade and you're going to put it in the outside corner of your lid, about a third of the way in. Now I'm going to go in and blend out the harsh line so that it's softer and it'll make it easier to blend later on. Next, I'm going to grab the blue shimmer shade from the Mermaid palette. Love this shade. It is so pretty and shimmery and just gorgeous. And I'll pop that in the center of my lid. And I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing as earlier and blend out the harsh line. Okay, next up is the lime green shimmer shade from Vacation palette. And I'm going to pop that in the inner corner of my eye. Okay, now I'm going to grab a little bit of that dark purple color and I'm just going to blend out so that it looks softer and not such a harsh line. I'm using the Color Wash Genius brush. Perfect for blending. Next, I'm going to put a little bit more highlighter underneath the eyebrow and in the inner corner of my eye. Next, I'm going to clean up the under eye with a makeup wipe. Okay, now we're going in with Mauve eyeliner. It's my favorite eyeliner. It's a deep purple color, and I'm going to pop that underneath my eye and blend it out with my finger. Next, I'm going in with that deep purple color again, and I'm going to pop it on a precision crease brush and put it underneath right on top of the eyeliner. Next, I'm going to pop a little bit more highlighter in the inner corner. Okay, next up is lashes. I'm going to use lash thickener and conditioner first. I'm going to pop that on my lashes. It's going to make them look thicker and fuller when you go in with mascara. Okay, and now I'm going in with my lash lengthening mascara. I like this mascara because I feel like it makes my lashes look more defined, and I'm going to grab the top of my lashes too, because when I close my eyes, that's what people see. And don't forget to pop some on those bottom lashes. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this eye makeup tutorial. If you'd like to see this whole makeup look done, then let me know in the comments. I had an absolute blast making this video, so if you'd like to see something done on this channel, then let me know. Hope y'all have a fabulous day. Bye!